We have until 10 to now already.
Passengers traveling to Bern, change the train in Olten. There is your connecting service at 21.
one more.